How to post a YouTube video link on Bluesky. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily post any YouTube video link on your Bluesky profile. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube application, find the video that you want on your Bluesky. So I'm just going to scroll down on random videos here. And let's say if I want to post this video right here on the Bluesky, I'm just going to open it. And once you get to your video, all you need to do is just tap on the share icon to copy its link. So once your link has been copied, you just have to go to your Bluesky app, and then at the top bottom right corner, you'll see this pencil icon to create a post. So in order to create a post, you first have to verify your email. Here I have gotten my confirmation email, and I'm just going to paste the code right here. So once you do that, tap on confirm and your email will be verified. Now you are able to post. So all you need to do now is go ahead and paste the YouTube video that you just copied. And as you can see here, it will also show you the preview of the video. Now you can add captions according to your choice, edit it with all of these tools right here, and then tap on post once you are done editing. And once your post has been published, you can check it on your profile at the bottom right corner, and on your post section, you will find the YouTube video that you have just posted. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.